Property of cyclic quadrilaterals. Look at the circle and a quadrilateral ABCD inscribed in the circle. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and here let us try and understand two important properties of a cyclic quadrilateral. The first property states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. What it means is that the sum of each pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now to understand this property, look at the figure. Look at angle A and angle C. They are opposite angles, and according to the property, angle A and angle C are supplementary. So this means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Also angle B and angle D are opposite angles, and again according to the property, angle B and angle D is also equal to 180 degree. Converse of this property also holds that if the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. Using this property, we can also check whether quadrilateral is cyclic or not. For example, look at this quadrilateral CDEF. Now we mark two angles, angle D is equal to 95 degree and angle F is equal to 85 degree. Now let us check this quadrilateral is cyclic or not. For checking, we add them and we get 95 degree plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. Since opposite angles are supplementary, hence quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. Now we discuss the second property of cyclic quadrilateral, which states that the exterior angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. So in order to understand this property, let us draw a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD as shown. Now extend line BC to point E and consider angle A as 50 degree. So angle DCE is exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral and angle BAD is interior opposite angle. So according to the second property of a cyclic quadrilateral, angle DCE is equal to angle BAD, or in other words, angle DCE is equal to 50 degrees.